Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for all your kind comments that you have gifted me in 2025, and I really look forward to reading your kind comments again this year in the new 2026. So I am starting off my 2026 first video with the KSCRAFT design team package that I have just received. I am so super excited. There are so many wonderful sets, and I'm gonna start by showing you the words. So KSCRAFT, they have YouTube channel, and Hannah does amazing tutorials. If you ever get stuck with any die sets, you are definitely going to find something that you need on her channel. She is also on Instagram, and if you use hashtag KSCRAFTHannah, she will look at your wonderful creations, and she will sometimes post it in the stories and on her page as well. So make sure you keep crafting. And then they have a Facebook page as well. First one for the January 2026 release set is the St. Patrick's Word. And I absolutely love having all the different shadow words for different themes. So this is the font style you're going to get. And in this pack, you will get pot and gold, rainbow, shamrock, leprechaun, lucky charm. And if you think about it, you can use some of these words throughout the year. I sure will be using the rainbow word a lot. Then we have the Easter sentiments. And again, this is a different style, really wonderful size, as you can see. And then this one has shake your bunny tail, celebrate new life, hop into spring, peeping it real, keep calm, and carrot on. We have a bold Easter words, and I absolutely love the bold Christmas words that KSCRAFT released last year. So I am going to so enjoy making a ton of these. You get peeps, candy, bunny, eggs, hoppy, that sort of thing. Oh my gosh, I love the bold style so much. We also have the double bubble bows. So these are going to make really pretty shape once put together. And we have two different sizes. Hang on a minute. Yes, two different sizes. So it's going to look like this, and then you fold towards the middle, and it's going to look so pretty. And really good Happy Mail gift set as well. Here is a cute lamb set. I love anything scalloped edge, but when I saw this lamb design, I was so in love. Look at this, you guys. So this is the base, and you add the circular facial part onto it. But if you didn't want to just make the cute lambs, you can actually use this shape as an embellishment base and keep layering, and it's going to be so nice. So that's what I definitely will be doing as well. We have a candy bar Easter add-on. So there is a candy bar wrapper that was released in the Halloween release. And then that one, you can use it with this and add the bunny ears and the facial expression and the egg shape and decorate it further. But if you didn't have the candy bar, of course you can use the components in the set, but I strongly recommend the candy bar wrapper set. I use it a lot. It is a really good size. Here is a bunny nose bag topper, and this is going to be so adorable. So this is the base shape, and you fold it in half, and you add the whiskers and the nose and things. And I honestly think that this, even if it's a bunny nose bag, I think you could use this for Halloween, I reckon. Then we have an egg treat box. I love things like treat box because you can gift so many things. So it comes with the side part to form the box. So all you really have to do is cut these pieces, follow the score lines, add the glues to the flaps, and then you're going to add this to the front and the back, and you will have a lovely gift box. You can fill it with chocolates, bubblegum size beads, trims, whatever you want to put in. Such a good size. And I really love that KSCRAFT has also released the nested die of the fringe egg. And this one, you guys, you get so many. Look at it. So nice. you get the squiggly design like this. Then you also get the stitch detail part. So you can actually use one of this and then another stitch layering part to put on top as well. It's going to be so fun using this. Then we have the boy and girl bunny set, and this has adorable tiny peeps inside. Oh my gosh. So imagine this bunny holding the Peeps toy, and you can put sunglasses or glasses on him as well, or her. You can make it a him or a her by changing the position of the bow. And it comes with like dresses or pants and bunny ear add-on bits. I love that it's got stitch details. It's got so many wonderful pieces to make it your own. And these will be really good for scrapbook pages, for embellishment gifting, happy mail packaging, and so many things to use for cards as well. You can turn these bunnies into different themes. Then we have the nesting swirly set. So this will be really wonderful to use for decorating your 3D boxes or to make your cards. And I love the fact that it's got so many sizes. I really am excited to be creating with this one here. It's a swirly tail bow set, and you get 3 different sizes, you guys. Looks like this. How pretty is this, right? So pretty. And you get 3 different sizes. Then we have the carrot mini album set. I'm going to turn it this way to show you. So there is a small teeny tiny carrot so you can use together in conjunction or use it as a separate embellishment. And I love the fact that this carrot actually has bunny ears. And I think you could actually turn this top part into a shaker component. How fun that would be. I'll have to try it. So here is an Easter basket. I was so in love with the Easter basket when Hannah showed it in her release video. Oh my gosh. I have a small basket die only, and this is a much bigger size. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I can use this basket throughout the year. And the size of the Easter eggs you get with all the decoration, so pretty. Then you can turn it into a shaker as well. And this is a Memory Decks card base. But of course, if you just wanted the egg part, you just have to cut this bottom bit off, which is very easy to do. You also get the handle part to layer on there as well. And I love the size of this so much. It is a really good size, you guys. So it's about 4 inches, 4¼ inches from here to here. Such good size, such pretty details. And then they have released the egg rosette. Here is a big size and a smaller size. So when you form it together, it forms in the shape of an egg. And you get a small egg and a big egg that you can use for embellishment making as well. Then here is a gnome house. You can, of course, turn this into a gift box. You can use the shape to decorate a box on top. You can use this to make mini album. You can even use this to add on to your pockets. I mean, it just depends on what you want to do with it. But it's got so many nice details. It's got tiny hearts. It's got the windows and the wooden door. It's going to be super fun. Then here is a truck gift box set. And this is going to be a nice size. Look at this, you guys. See? The truck from here to here, measure it. See, you guys? It's a really good size. Little over 6 inches wide, you guys. So that's another great set to explore. Then we have the bunny face album. You can use this to make a bunny box, bunny bag, add it to your jelly tote set that you already have, make mini album. And it's got the hinge part already included in here as well. It's got the glasses that you can turn it into a shaker if you want. And you can use it separately. And I just spotted something as well. So I think I can make something more fun with this set too. And then here is a carry basket. Oh my gosh, this carry basket is such a good size, you guys. Look how big this is. So it is about, so it comes out to about here, 7 inches wide, you guys. Wow. And then it's got like oval label pieces. And I must show you this. Look at this, you guys. Look at that elegant shape here. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And this shape here is meant to be for the side of the carry basket. But you could actually just use this shape to do many things as well. Oh my gosh. And it's even got the word included. So let's get this out to show you. It says stylish. Oh my gosh. And I honestly think that this is going to be a really nice Happy Mail gift bag. You can use it throughout the year with many different colors and themes. Such a nice set. Then Hannah also released the 3D Rising Cross add-on set, which goes with the 3D Rising Heart box that they have released prior. And I didn't have the Heart Rising box set, so Hannah kindly gifted me the original set so I can use it to make the 3D Rising Cross box. So I am going to be so enjoying trying this for the first time. Before I go, I also have grabbed from KLJUYP this shaker banner set, and I really wanted to show you guys. This is a really nice size, you guys. So you can use it like this, use the frame to turn it into a shaker. But I grabbed one from their new January release. And then this is like from here to here, it's like 4 inches tall. And from here to here, it's like 2.5 inches wide. So it's got really good space for you to decorate. And it also gives you all of these words, which I thought was so nice. It's got cutie pie, hey love, and it's got you as well. Then you also get included like tassel pieces. So I have made one to show you guys. So there's the base, and there is the layering piece and another layering piece for the top. And you also get a nice decorative part to put on the top as well. I started making some shakers and things, and I'm gonna probably combine it with some of these and show you guys soon. I'm so excited. Thank you so much everybody for being here and having a look at the wonderful KSCRAFT new January 2026 releases, and I will be back shortly to share with you guys what I've been making. Thank you so much everybody. Bye for now.